Now we'll try Lux. So if you go to virtual machine and we try to take one of this virtual machine, and then here we can find there is something called Lux. And when you go to Lux, there is no Lux now, there is no Lux here. So if I click on add, and I have two different type of Lux, read only and delete. So if I try delete and I said like, hey, do not delete, no notes, okay, that's first type of Lux. And then if I go back to overview and try to delete this resource, no, this action will permanently delete. Okay, now let's try to delete this, and I see here failed to delete the virtual machine, and the reason why the scope AZ cannot perform delete operate because the final scope lock. Sorry, so there is a lock. Please remove the lock first. Now the second thing, if I'm going to try to add a different lux, so if I go to lux and delete this lux and create a new one, this time I will create read only lux. So here do not edit. Okay, okay, so I have a lux of do not edit. So if I go for example to size, and in size I try to size not available, okay, insufficient quota. Now I have this because I'm assuming because of my insufficient quota family limit, family v CPU limit. Okay, so if I go here and I'll try to resize this, and prices represented are estimated in your local currency. Okay, this is not really what I'm looking for. So I think I'm having here, if the virtual machine is currently running, changing the size will cause it to be restarted. But that's fine for me. And then here I keep seeing this error message that there is no quota here for the insufficient quota here for a region limit, and then here, okay, I think I have an issue with the region here. Let me check what region was this one. So this one was in West Europe, which should be fine. I usually use it. And then how about we try to edit something else here? Maybe we can edit the tags or refresh delete. What's my option here? Activity tags. Okay, let's go to tags and I'll try to delete this tag. Okay, I think tags is fine to delete, want to be deleted in the first one machine. Okay, virtual machine, one tag to be deleted. So seems like that tags are fine to be deleted. Your unsafe edit will be discarded, cancelled. So if I said delete, okay, I'll try. Anyway, apply this delete thing. And now, could not save tag for the resources apply, access unauthorized. Please correct any error information on tag compatible. So let's go here and see what's wrong here. Now this link redirect me use tag to organize as a resource. So obviously I see an error here, but this error message not enough. Tag name value blah blah blah. So could not access and authorize. So access and authorize, this error message not really very descriptive. So I'm gonna discard here, discard changes. Can I discard my changes? Yes, I can. I'll try to do the same with a different virtual machine. So let's go here. No, but let's go back because I already create Lux here. And let's say what's the things that we can. Let's go and check the disk, and size again, we have insufficient quota here. If we said availability and scaling, availability set can only be configured when creation, so we cannot change it here. Configuration, so here no previous placement group, identity, and then okay, go back here, maybe it will be easier to work with it from the networking. Maybe there's something we can change here. So I have ipconfig at primary. Okay, I'll try. Now I have an idea. I will try to delete one of the endbound network security group. So I'll say, for example, delete here. Delete one of these rules. Network security group attached to network easy. And back. Okay. So when I'm clicking here, say delete security rule, and try to delete it now. I'm deleting now the SSH protocol. I'm not using, this is only for demonstration, so I don't really need any connection, any inbound rules. Well, it's deleted. So if I go to logs, I see here read only security, like networking is fine. To delete, obviously, but disk is not fine. Sizes are not fine. I cannot demonstrate that as I don't have enough quota. So if I try to resize, this version is currently running, changing the size, but yeah, I'm not able anyway to change. So if I stop this virtual machine, said okay, so I cannot stop it. This is interesting. Why I cannot stop it? The scoop AZ policy 0 cannot perform operation because lock. So this lock is not allowing me. Remove the lock to try again. So the lock is not allowing me to do this. Now I will go to my lock. I will delete my lock, and I will delete the whole this virtual machine. So no locks here to stop me from doing this. Will I be able to delete this? I think why not? But maybe deleting this virtual machine will take a long time. So you see that we can change the unbound, the network security group rules, but we cannot resize. We could not see that, but we could not perform, uh, cannot stop the machine from running because of the lock to not edit. We cannot delete it because it has lock. So now we remove the lock and we'll see what will happen. This should be fine. I mean, the only thing, it might take very long time, if not very long time, for the video only. So that's what I was forwarded to here. So like I think irrelevant information. Successfully deleted the first one machine. Very good. So my first one machine is successfully now deleted. It was this one, AZ900 policies test 01. If I go, I don't see it anymore. Perfect.